Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. When I'm talking to students about what they've been up to, how their weekend was, how they've been bearing up recently, one of the most common complaints that I often hear is about in-laws, the family of your husband or wife. And sometimes, obviously, in-laws come to stay with people, and this can maybe cause a bit of friction on occasion. This morning I was chatting to a student about how she's doing, and she looked slightly frustrated and said, I'm okay, but I've got my in-laws staying with me for a month. Now, a month is obviously quite a long period of time. And I know this particular student also has 2 young kids that she's bringing up. So, I guess it's added stress on top of the stress of dealing with 2 young kids. And I asked how she got on with her in-laws, and she said basically they get on quite well, but her mother-in-law does have an annoying habit of sticking her oar in where it's not wanted. If you stick or put your oar in, usually you give an opinion without being asked about it or without being asked for it. And when people stick their oar in, it can be particularly annoying because you haven't invited them to give your opinion. So, one sign of a good listener is you let people say their piece without sticking your oar in, without feeling the need to give your opinion, without offering unsolicited advice. And maybe if you have a slightly fractious relationship with your in-laws, you might vent later, you might feel the need to get things off your chest a bit, and you might complain to friends about your in-laws, saying, I don't know why they feel they have to stick their oar in every time me and Lisa have a little dispute. It's so annoying. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps more people find out about what we do. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, maybe even your in-laws. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of times that people have stuck their oar in where it wasn't wanted.